Hello student, welcome to our science class. For today, what we are going to discuss about the stages of fetal growth and development. Everyone started the life as a very tiny single cell. This tiny cell grew and developed into an embryo, then into the fetus, and was finally born as a baby. The baby started with the fertilization and implantation. So what is fertilization? When we say fertilization, it is the process in which the sperm and the egg cell unite inside the fallopian tube. After the successful fertilization, it results in the formation of a single cell, that what we call zygote. After that, the zygote divides repeatedly as it moves down the fallopian tube. As this happening, the endometrium is made thicker by the progesterone. When the zygote reaches the uterus, it continues to divide to become a blastocyst that attaches the endometrium. This process is called implantation. This is the start of formation of the fetus. The thick lining of blood vessels serve as the rich bed for the developing zygote. It provides support and nourishment to the zygote. Okay, so this diagram is showing the fertilization process to the implantation process. And then, after 2 weeks after fertilization, the developing zygote is considered as an embryo. This stage is what the doctors call the start of pregnancy. During this time, the placenta starts to develop. The placenta is made up of membrane and blood vessel that connect to the uterus to the developing embryo. The embryo absorbs foods, oxygen, and water from the placenta. It also releases carbon dioxide and waste to the placenta. On the 4th week of development, the umbilical cord is fully formed. This cord serves as the lifeline between the embryo and the mother. The embryo starts to form the brain, skin, hair, nails, muscles, bone, and other organs. It is also during this stage that the arms, legs, fingers, and toes are formed. The head becomes larger because of the growing brain, but the face is not yet fully human in appearance. Embryonic development lasts until the end of the 8th week of pregnancy. The picture or the diagram on the screen is the development stage of the embryo over the month until it's 9 months. So, after the development of the embryo up until 9 months, here comes the childbirth. The date of birth of a full-term baby is approximately 250 days after fertilization. Some babies are born after 7 or 8 months. Babies born before they reach the full term of 9 months are called premature babies. So that ends our discussion for today. So for your activity, kindly answer the following questions. And that's all for today. I hope you learn. God bless and goodbye.